This 2007 Buick Lucerne has 61,707 miles. This is a one-owner vehicle. It was garage kept. It features 4 new tires and brake pads. You can feel the pickup on this vehicle with a 3.8-liter V6 engine. This car runs smoothly. It drives like the luxury cars of yesteryear. Step into luxury in the driver's seat of this 2007 Buick Lucerne with a front bench seat, leather steering wheel, air conditioning, and a Harman and Kardon premium stereo system. This vehicle has 61,707 original miles. It was garage kept and one owner. The back seat of this vehicle features plenty of space for your passengers and rear air. You'll never want more trunk space with this Buick Lucerne, and it features a pass-through rear seat for all of your larger objects. Golf, anyone? With this 2007 Buick Lucerne, you'll be riding in pure American-made luxury. Ride Smart Auto. Ride smarter with us.